Okay, you're going to do your gingerbread man activity. You're going to click Add Response, and it's going to open up your gingerbread page. The first thing you're going to do is use this color code right here. 1s get colored red, 2s get colored brown, 3s get colored orange, 4s get colored green, 5 gets colored white, 6s get colored pink, and 7s get colored purple. Now, if you can't remember these colors, if you go over to the second page, they're right here for you for help, okay? So, you're going to select your marker tool, however big you want it. I'm going to start with number 1s, those are red, and I'm going to color those in, okay? So, as you color them in, you can go and look. Oh, I see some ones right here and right here and right here. Oh, there's a 1 as well. So that's how you do it. The number 3s, those are oranges, so I'm going to change it to orange. Let's see, where is a 3? Oh, I don't see any 3s. I'll have to come back and look again and see. All right, 6s are pink. I don't see any 6s either. Let's see. 5s are white. You can click on the white right there. Looks like it's going to be a candy cane. Very nice. There's some white. There's white. That's white. There's some white. Okay, I think there's going to be lots of 2s. Those are brown because gingerbread are brown, okay? So I need you to do that for me, and then whenever you're finished, you're going to hit the check box.